Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can have multiple chart layout of TradingView for free, right? So you know that on TradingView there's a possibility for you to have multiple layouts of your chart, but it's only available for people that have premium plans. All right, for example, if you are using this TradingView, for example, this premium that I'm using is the essential, which is the first premium plan on TradingView. But if you want to use your layout, you only have this available to you or this one available to you, but you can't use this. All right, so if I'm clicking on this, it will bring out this saying that your plan has 2 charts per tab limit, but our upgraded plans let you see up to 16 linked charts perfectly synced, all in the same window. So if you have this one, you have 4 charts available. This one is 8 charts, this one is 10 charts, right? So you can upgrade it and have all those levels, right? Different levels of layouts. But you can also have it for free using this application that I'm going to show you right now. So let's click on this layout and go back on the initial layout, right? So the application I'm going to show you is called Vivaldi. So Vivaldi is a browser. So if you go on Google and you type Google, right? Sorry, let me open another browser. So if you go on Google and you type Vivaldi download, you'll see it here. So all you need to do is click on it and download it. Then once you download and install it, then come back here and come to your chart, your TradingView chart. So since TradingView does not allow you to use this feature, what you will need, since TradingView does not allow you to use this feature, what you will need to do is to use Vivaldi feature. So once you have Vivaldi installed in your system and everything is set, then you can come here and then you duplicate your chart according to how many views you want to have. So let's say we want to have 4 views, you duplicate 4. All right, then you come here and then for example you pick 5 minutes for this one, and then for this one you pick 15 minutes. Okay, so let's reset the views for all of them. Reset views, and then for this one let's pick 4 hour. Let's reset view, and then for this one let's pick the daily time frame, and let's reset the view, right? So now we have our charts with different time frames, right? So what you need to do now is you need to click on this tab, then click on the next one, holding control on your keyboard. Click on this one, select this one and select this one. Then you need to right click, then you select tile 4 tabs. So guys, see the magic has happened. We already have our tabs like TradingView feature, right? So you can use it like you can manipulate all of them from here. You can use them as you want, right? So that is what Vivaldi is able to do for us, and it's the only browser that can do that, right? So once you have it, you can also close them back. You can close this and you can also close this. So you have only 2 tabs, and I like this one because it makes it simpler and less charts to be looking at. So yeah, that's it. So you can use the 15 minutes and the 5 minutes. So as the price is moving here, it's also moving here, and you're monitoring everything. So it's better to monitor price at different time frame than only focusing on one time frame. So guys, that was it. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, say something nice in the comment section, and yeah, share it to someone that wants to have their chart in different windows, right? So, or time frames. So thank you. Bye.